Best PC settings for Modern Warfare 2019. So first, go ahead into your options. First, go to your graphics, and the first thing you're gonna set is your display. Go ahead and make sure your display mode is on full screen for the most consistent performance. Also, make sure your render resolution is 100% and just use your monitor's native resolution unless you need more FPS. Some settings over here you could copy, but it is gonna depend on what PC or what kind of PC you're using. But other than that, you can go ahead down to your NVIDIA highlights and disable that. So as you can see, NVIDIA highlights won't record any highlight, but if it's disabled, it's gonna make this thing or this option no longer run in your background, which should mean more FPS for you. Next, go ahead into your quality and you can set the ADS field of view as affected and your camera movement least at 50%, which should already be at default. As for the other settings over here, texture resolution at low and your texture filter anisotropic at normal. You can copy these settings as well. Particle quality at low, bullet impact and sprays enabled, and this one disabled. With this dismemberment and gore effects enabled as well, but some of these settings should already be at default. As for your on-demand texture streaming, make sure you're disabling this so you have streaming is disabled and the game will show local textures only. And finally, in post-processing effects, make sure your filming strength and film grain is at 0, NVIDIA DLSS disabled, anti-aliasing at off, depth of field disabled with your world motion blur disabled as well. Other than that, make sure your weapon motion blur is enabled as well. The shadow and lighting is going to depend more on to your liking, but if you want, you can also copy these settings over here with your shadow map resolution at low, cache spot shadows disabled along with cache sun shadows, particle lighting at low, DirectX ray tracing and your ambient occlusion at disabled, and the screen space reflection, which should already be normally at high. If you want, you can set your custom frame limit close to your monitor's refresh rate, such as 60 FPS for 60 Hz or 144 FPS for 144 Hz and so on, since Modern Warfare's official competitive spec was designed around roughly 1080p and 144 FPS with hardware such as a GTX 1080 or RTX 2070 Super. But those are some settings you can use if you want a better gameplay or just a better experience in general for your Modern Warfare 2019. So hopefully this video does help. If it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.